Hi and welcome to back. In this video we want to talk about the SVG line element. So again, this is a self-closing element. It's got a stroke property that we can use here. So we set stroke equal to black. It's also got it's not got a fill property, and if you think about that, that makes sense because we don't really need a fill for a line. There's nothing in between here. It's got also four more properties: x1, x2, or x1, y1, x2, y2. So x1, y1 are the x and y coordinates that we start at, and y2, x2, y2 are the x and y coordinates that we end at. So from here we go from the origin 0, 0 to 100, 100. We can change that. For example, we can go to y of 200 right there, and x of say 250. Oh, sorry, 250. And so we can move around with this, what our coordinates are, and this will just give us a straight line.